Hi everybody, happy new year. I'm saying happy new year because it's been like a very long time since I posted here, and then it's my first video for the year. So I want to teach you how to get this design on your calabash. Yes, so there are some designs that you could do for your calabash. You could use bubble molds, you could use molds on your calabash. You could also use this crimping tool to get this impression. You could also leave your calabash to be very plain, but for this video I'm teaching you how to get this crimping kind of design. So what we use is the crimping tool. At the beginning of this video I had shown you the clear picture of what the crimping tool looks like. So what you just do is to cover your calabash cake in plain fondant normally, fix the calabash neck and everything. Then you go ahead to use the crimping tool to create the impression. So what you do is that while your fondant is still fresh and not very dry, you use the crimping tool to like pinch it, more like you are using a peg or a clip to clip your cloth on the wire. So you use the crimping tool to clip your fondant on the body of the cake, and you just keep doing that. You could do a standing design, like keep the crimping tool straight, or you could do this other pattern, this pattern that I'm doing, but it's just basically using the crimping tool to create a beautiful impression or mark on the calabash, and it will just give your cake a very beautiful look. So just follow through this video and watch how I achieved this design. So I'm almost done with this. I just do this all around the cake and I go ahead to spray the cake, and this is the final look. Let me know what you think if you'll be trying this out.